Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's videos, we'll learn about how to assign Facebook page access to someone else or someone else having a Facebook account. So to start with the process, let's open our Facebook profile. As you can see, this is my personal Facebook profile, and after then, let's move to page. Here you can see there are my pages, and I'm going to click on DM Satya. Open the page. After then, look for settings in the left panel. Click on there, and then check out the general settings. You can see page role. In the page role, you can see assign a new page role and assign existing pages. So you have to click on assign a new page role, and then you have to put your username or the email id to find out the other person's account. So here um, I'm putting my name, you can see, and this is my account, another account I have created for testing only, you can see. And then here you can see all the access which you can assign it. There is the admin, editor, moderator, and list. So you have to choose as per your preference. Here I'm assigning as editor, so you have to put your profile password and click on submit. Now you can see page access has been assigned, and you can scroll down and see the pending status is here. So now let's sign out this profile and log into that other profile where we have assigned the access and check how it works. Now I'm in the other profile that I have created for testing. Let's see, in the notification it's showing, and after clicking this, DM Satya has been assigned. So accept this. Once accepted, and let's refresh this page to see in the pages section. After refreshing, you can see, yes, you can see under your pages there are two pages. DM Satya is already present there. You can click on this, and the page is completely ready to use. You can post it, you can do other things that you need to do on a assigned page. So depending upon your assigned role, you can do the assessments. That's all for today's session. I hope this video will help you in assigning page roles, and if you have any other doubt, then please ask me in the comment section below. I will answer all your queries as soon as possible. So if you like this video, then click like button and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching my videos. Have a nice day.